We had heard about UT quite some time, and when Asmi, my daughter, entered 10th, we were quite keen to enroll UTs. So while she finished her first semester, I had a query with the Nehru Center, and then we enrolled for the full course. Such we didn't offer classrooms, but the best part of UT was that the papers were really tough, and the evaluation was quite strict. So Asmi was a bit complaining in the initial phase, but later on it came out that the flexible schedules, because at times there were multiple exams at schools happening, UT allowed us to flexibly manage our schedules, and the evaluation that helped Asmi was on the ground. That whilst she had studied hard, but she could make it with good marks in the initial phase, and that improved quite significantly by the end of December, and it helped her to achieve this success. So I think UT's strict evaluation and timely assessment and the guidance after that, because she had some queries on the assessment that was made, that helped me to reach this success. So thank you, UT.